office, Gadar 2. First day 40 crores opener, then after that 43 crores. Second day and third day it has crossed 51 crores. It has got 51 crores. All total it has got around 135 crores. That too, this was not a solo release. It is clashing with Oh My God 2. What a comeback by Sunny Deol. What a comeback. सिर्फ 2.5 किलो का हाथ नहीं, मतलब 2.5 किलो अभी 100 किलो का हाथ हो गया पूरा. मतलब सनी पाजी कहते होंगे आफ्टर द कलेक्शन ही बी लाइक, मैं निकला और गड्डी लेके और रास्ते पर एक सड़क में एक वीकेंड आया, बॉक्स ऑफिस को फोड़ डाला. What a collection this is. What a comeback by Sunny Deol, and brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Now today, Monday estimates is around 35 crores. And tomorrow 15th August it might reach around 50 to 60 another crores. So I have given figures like 250 crores to 300 crores it will collect. This will go about 300 crores only now. What a collection. Matlab log Gadar movie in 90s means 2000 is an emotion. It's an emotions. Everybody was critically it was panned, but public loved the movie because of Sunny Deol's acting performance, and it was in Indo-Pakistan, that political issue is there. Basically people love that one, and dialogues, especially even in this movie, dialogues are absolutely sensational, and the clash between villain and hero was absolutely superb. Means Sunny Deol in the second half pura छा गया पूरा, मतलब पूरा खा डाला पूरा, with the wheels, then with the hammer, with the what is that, a hand pump, iconic scene. Means same like Gadar format only they have made this movie, but here twice the screenplay is happening basically. One son will go to Pakistan then to rescue father, then again father will go to Pakistan to rescue the son and bring back the bahu, or bahu leke वापस India में आ जाएगा. Means this theme, this concept was liked in 2000 also. Now also the 90s kids and everybody, 90s, 80s, whoever kids are there, they are going to the theaters and just flocking the theaters. Absolutely flocking the theaters, and occupancy was around 76 to 80% occupancy was there all around in the weekends. Simply superb. Means box office houseful boards are back. Sunny Deol at the age of 68, this will be the greatest comeback by an Indian actor at the age of 68 with such a box office figures. Seriously, क्या comeback दिया यार, क्या comeback. That too means no solo release. This is clashing with Oh My God 2. If it didn't clash with Oh My God 2, then definitely more 30 crores extra in the weekend it would have got, because Oh My God 2 and then another films also have occupied the screens and everything. Seriously यार धमाका मचा दिया. पर कोई बात नहीं, in upcoming days that 30 crores whatever shortage was there it will cover up easily, because public will keep coming, right? Whatever the shows are given, public will keep coming. Absolutely brilliant. Anil Sharma also, what a comeback he has given. Before previous movies and all, means last 10 years he was absolutely outdated. Nothing was there. Means his films, nothing was working. Now suddenly he has come back in this Gadar 2, that iconic franchise he has bought in. Songs also was there. Those Gadar songs he has repeated, and some songs what Mithun has given. That झूम झूम song on whatever, public को बेहद पसंद आ गया. पूरा public अभी टूट पड़ी है थिएटर में. Means people were saying that this movie will not even run 2 days after watching the trailer and everything. पूरा सबका मुंह तमाचा बन गया, पूरा तमाचा सबके मुंह पे. अरे Gadar is an emotion. Gadar is an emotion because it has dialogues like हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद थे, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद है, और हिंदुस्तान हमेशा जिंदाबाद रहेगा. That dialogue is there. Then हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद, that's it. That dialogues is enough to make the movie blockbuster, and Sunny Deol's means hand pump scenes and all, everything is there. So it's enough. It's enough. Blockbuster, absolutely thunderbuster. Means Sunny Buster, absolutely.